Let's get out of here. And then we're going to log into the next level, which is the Emma level. Okay. Let's paste in the password. Okay, so everybody, this is a guided walkthrough for the Emma level from the Venus Labs from HackMyVM.eu. And let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we need to do to start the mission, start the level rather, is to read this mission.txt file. So we're going to take a look at the mission.txt file here. And it says here that user Mia has left her password in the file dash. So we need to get Mia's password. It is in this file right here. The problem is that you're not supposed to use special characters like the minus and the plus and the ampersand, the $sign. You're not supposed to use those as file names in Linux. So the problem occurs when you try to read the minus sign symbol. So if you try to read the minus sign symbol, it doesn't let you read it, and so it's because Linux interprets this special character symbol over here as a command, and actually, so that's why we get this result over here. It doesn't recognize this as a file name. It only recognizes this as a special character. So we can actually get out of here by we can quit out of this command by doing Control-C, and that's going to unstick our terminal so we can start using commands again. So I'm actually kind of curious what exactly Linux interprets this command as. So I'm just going to ask our know-it-all friend ChatGPT. Okay, which concatenates and displays the contents of files in standard output. The dash in this context is a special argument that tells cat to read from standard input. Oh, okay. Okay. So you could just type in a file name or just type in anything, and it's just going to do something like echo. You can type something and then press Control-D, EOF, to signal the end of the input. Okay, that's interesting. So whenever you type, start typing text, okay, Control-D to end. Oh, okay. So let's try this out. So in here, we cat minus, and then this is sample text. And then I guess when you press enter, it's just going to print that out. Echo. And, oh, so it's basically kind of like an echo command. So is the end. And I think you can do, it said Control-D to exit out. Yeah, okay. That's interesting. I didn't know that you could use the cat command like this before, but you learn something new every day. All right, so let's. So the actual method of solving this level is the following. So we've got this this minus sign over here, the dash. We want to read this as a file. So there are a couple of different ways we can achieve this. So the first way we can do this is to specify the directory where the file is. And we do this with the // So if we do // dash like this, then the cat command knows that we're referring to a specific file in the current directory. So when we run this, we get the password. So this is the password for the next level, and we know that the user for the next level is the Mia user. So before we finish this level, let's do a little bit of an after action report. So our target user is the Mia user, And the method of solve in this case is we need to read a file which begins with a special character. So the key command in this case is going to be cat and then /dash. Okay. All right, let's commit these changes. So this was a guided walkthrough for Venus CTF Labs from HackMyVM.eu, otherwise known as the Emma level. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on like and subscribe on the video and leave a comment under the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.